Good morning, everybody. Happy Friday. Today is April 23rd. Here's your band announcements for next week. 6th week of 4th quarter. Can you believe it? Yowza Palooza. We are almost done. All right, junior high kids. There's a link here for the calendar stuff. Next Friday is a choir day, which means 7th graders, you have lessons during 4th hour. So Monday, make sure you flutie tooties bring your flutes so that I can have some lessons with you during 4th hour. 5th graders. Make sure that Clara, Ember, Gwen, Chaz, you bring your bells. Avery, Maya, Braxton, Allison, you have your snare drum. Addison, Isaac, Elliot, Lucas have your snare drum, but you'll be playing auxiliary. When we don't have an auxiliary part, you'll play the snare drum part. All right, show choir showcase. This is for my singer dancers or for any combo kids, which is not happening this year. It's April 30th and May 1st. That's Friday and Saturday next week. The performances are at 6:30 each night. You see the call times there. New member marching band camp. This is for 8th graders who are going into marching band next year, which I encourage all of you to do. It's going to be 3:30 to 5:30 p.m. at the high school on the 26th. That's the last day of student attendance. It's an early dismissal day. Our plan currently is to go from 3:30 to 5:30 so that I can finish my teacher meetings, yada, 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 and then we will have some pizza there at 5:30 for us to eat. It's a good time. I teach you how to stand, how to move your feet, the basics of how marching stuff works, so that when fall comes around, you're not just like, whoa, how does this work? So keep that in your calendar. I will insert that date. It is May 26th, the last day of school. So none of us should be on vacation yet. Here's the junior high schedule, so you can join us if you go remote. You're welcome to do that as well. High schoolers, next Friday is a choir day. There is a concert on Cinco de Mayo, Wednesday, May 5th at 7 p.m. I'm going to be setting up right after school, so 3:30ish. Our call time for that concert is 6 o'clock. Wear nice clothes, and if you want to add a festive flair to honor Cinco de Mayo, you are welcome to do that. Just make sure it's not distracting. We will be performing outside the South Link entrance by the Circle Drive, so bring a lawn chair, bring a blanket, and make sure that you wear a mask. High school graduation is going to be Sunday, May 16th. The ceremony starts at 3. Our call time is going to be 2. We'll probably play pre-ceremony music. We'll play Pomp and Circumstance, and then we'll play something as they walk out. Memorial Day is May 31st. The Gridley American Legion has asked us to be there. Our current plan for times is to warm up at 9:30 at the junior high band room, have the parade at 10. It's just a couple blocks. And then the ceremony is at 11. We will be bused from the parade to the ceremony, and then from the ceremony back to the junior high. You will need to get a ride to the junior high for warm-up and home from the junior high after all that's done. Show choir showcase is this Friday, Saturday. Performances are at 6:30. The call time for Friday is 5:30. The call time for Saturday is 4 o'clock for pictures. All right, combo rehearsals next week for Hi-Fi. We'll be rehearsing on Tuesday and Wednesday. Just be aware of that. We added that extra Tuesday in there. Mods are rehearsing Wednesday, Thursday during 8th hour like usual. If you have not yet voted on the awards, I sent that email out this week. Please do that voting so that I can get the plaques finalized and engraved and yada, yada, yada. Senior gifts. We'll be talking about that today during band. We need to get some guidance lined up for that so that at the concert we can present our senior gifts. Leadership for next school year. I'm getting the ball rolling on that. If you are interested in doing section leader or drum major, or there's a few other marching band positions, I'll send that information out in this email as well. All right, I think that's it. You guys have a great Friday. If you have any questions, let me know. Yeah, see ya.